So you want to highlight the top 3 numbers in a row. We're going to select the row 2. We're going to go up to Format, Conditional Formatting, and you'll see that we have A2 colon Y2. We need to change our format rule to custom formula is. We're going to say equals. A2 is greater than or equal to large, and we're going to say 2 colon 2 comma 3. What this means is that it's the third. We're looking at the third number, third highest number in that row, and we're saying, hey, get every number that's greater than it or equal to it. If you notice one thing, we have Bob is also highlighted. So what I'd like to do is B2, and then we need to change B2 here in our custom formula if we change that range. Let's make it very apparent. So I like to change that to purple or something like blue, something other than yellow. And now we want to apply it to every row. You can change the last two, Y2 to Y15. And there, the entire range is showing you the highest 3 numbers, or the top 3 numbers in each row. You can see this change if it goes 0, 0, 0. These are the 3 top. Different than the row 2 here. It's all automatic. It's all looking at the row that it's in and saying, hey, give us largest number, that's number 3, and all above that, and highlight them. Pretty cool, right? You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.